Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of out of date on the application of Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of out of date on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here. As you see in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data, and in the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.